1000 Ways to Look and Feel Younger Part 5. Here are the next few tips for aging gracefully. Watch to the end to hear what our next series will be about. You probably don't want to miss it. 13. Choosing good carbs. Good carbohydrates are unrefined, rich in nutrients and fiber, high in flavor, and keep you feeling satisfied for hours. Aim for 6 servings a day if you are not very active, up to 9 if you do more exercise. Choose brown and wild rice, oats, seeded wholemeal loaves, or whole wheat pasta. Even a home-baked cake such as lemon cake made with polenta and pistachios supplies good carbs. 14. Potato pleasures. Sometimes it's just hard to get away from certain foods. But did you know? Women who eat fries twice a week increase their risk of contracting type 2 diabetes, a major disease affecting people post-middle age, according to one study. If you need your potatoes, opt instead for organic potatoes baked, boiled in their skins, or mashed with garlic and olive oil. Alternatively, try flavorful sweet potatoes. 15. Eat whole grains. Fiber-rich whole grains are a particularly good food choice as we age. In one study, people over 60 who ate the most whole grains were less likely to suffer metabolic syndrome, a group of symptoms implicated in heart disease and diabetes. They were slimmer, too. Whole grains are also rich in B vitamins and magnesium. Brown rice, for example, contains double the magnesium of white rice. A magnesium-rich diet is also essential for bone density. Choose organic to avoid pesticide residue. Remember to like and subscribe so we could reach more people who could benefit from our content. Thank you for your support. Our next series will include shopping tips because how you shop determines how well you eat.